absolutely stunning Penfield Craftsman former model home with lots of upgrades, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, office, 2-car garage with a pool on conservation lot in Artisan Park of Celebration. This luxury pool home looks and feels like new with expensive upgrades throughout. The Chef's Dream Kitchen includes a KitchenAid gas cooktop with grill and pancake griddle, granite countertops, floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, brand new Samsung 4-door fridge, stainless steel appliances including Bosch dishwasher, and a wine rack. 12-foot ceilings in all the main rooms. Brand new beautiful wood tile floor throughout the entire bottom floor and upgraded carpets in the bedrooms. Spacious master suite on the first floor with a walk-in closet and custom built-ins, dual sinks, stand-up shower, and garden tub. Step out into your backyard paradise with a serene pool with pavered deck, lush tropical landscaping, and model-inspired gazebo with a built-in wood-burning fireplace. Great for entertaining. Numerous upgrades include crown molding, custom ceiling molding, custom plantation shutters, volume ceilings in the family room, wired for Bose surround sound, termite bond, and the home has been maintained to pristine condition. A short walk to Artisan Park Clubhouse with restaurant, heated lap pool, outdoor grill, and fitness center. Downtown Celebration with shops and restaurants, just a 10 or 15-minute bike ride. Call now to schedule your showing.